you're almost there. 1 minute away. Suite 390. Put in the wrong address. No, it's the same address. There's multiple UCLA.
Yeah, no, it was just, it's a little like weird. I was just making sure.
I know. It's tricky because now I gotta try and find parking. Because 8 to 10, right? Street cleaning. I'm getting an MRI done today for my knee. It's not really my knee, but it's on the side of my knee. But my doctor recommended to get an MRI just in case it was my knee. So we're here at UCLA. I've never had an MRI done before, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes, the process. But first, let me find parking. I'm a little nervous now.
Don't be nervous, babe. We're gonna be alright.
Deep breath. I'm feeling about to play hockey with you right now. I thought I had that in my glove. I guess I hit my palm and then it just like went off on the side. Come on, Jet, follow the puck. Follow the puck. The ice, it's 1-0. 18 minutes and 30 seconds in the second period.
I think it's funny. Nice.
It's 2-0. 8 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second period.
Yes! Woo!
goal went in, but just like mine, so I call it, it counts. Yours going straight to my face. I was like, heck no. The other team just called a timeout.
Good job! Woo-hoo!
That game should not have been close. Not a chance. That game should not have been close at all.
That was messed up.
Dominating the whole time.
That was messed
Good
up.
job, you guys.
Thanks for letting Jet play.
Of course.
Yo, did that puck go in? The one that was controversial?
He like hit it in.
Yeah, but he like jammed it in. You can't do that. I had it.
No. That should not have been like no. No.
I don't think that puck went in.
That was foul.
It eventually went in.
Because your head was already
Yeah,
on the
but
ground too.
I had it, but
It went
you can't just go in with your stick and start jamming the puck in like after I have it. That's foul. Should be a penalty.
Sure, man.
then-
Yeah. And your head.
And even the ref said, he was like, the puck's in the net. I don't know. I'm like, I had it. You blew the whistle. Anyway, Wilsey, thank you for the invite. I really appreciate it. I'm here back at Toyota Sports Center. This is after the game, but to be my intro. We just won 4-3. It should not have been close. It's okay. We came, dominated, kicked the shit out of the Culver Black. Also, Arthur, what's up, buddy? I don't know if you watched my my videos, but it was great seeing you on the ice. Yeah, very cool.
Thumbs up.
Good job, you guys.
Thanks, bro. You too.
Thanks for
man.
coming out.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Yeah, woo, here's the girls. Here's the girls. Woo!
I'm dead. And that's it. That's all. All right, bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.